All right, welcome back to the channel, everybody. Top 5 artificial intelligence AI crypto coins to watch in March 2023. I got to take a quick sip here. I'm just waking up here on a Friday morning. Glad to have you back by the channel, by the way. Oh, that's good. And another week in the books. A lot of things happening in cryptocurrency. We had Coinbase launching their layer 2. We have Spotify testing Web3 wallets. We've got AI tokens booming. We've got a lot of different sectors, just very, very positive things happening around these sectors, whether it's gaming and AI or enterprise solutions. But these AI cryptos have been on fire, and a couple of the top ones to watch for in March are going to be in this list. Appreciate you guys for stopping back by the channel. Don't forget to smash the like button down there, push us up in the old YouTube algorithm, subscribe right here to the channel if you haven't already, and let's dive in. So Finbold is looking for some great investments. Finbold has analyzed the recent performance and developments surrounding some of the most promising AI-related cryptos and arrives at this list for March 2023. Number one is Ocean. Ocean Protocol, an open source blockchain-based data exchange. Ocean has caught the public's eye, has been moving up here in 2023, and it's promising to increase the project's value thanks to its unique approach to handling and sharing data that is challenging to access, which allows developers to build more immersive applications. And since the turn of this year and in the past month, Ocean really has been performing nicely. You could see that year-to-date move there all the way from 16 cents all the way up and actually crossed over 50 cents at one time. So Ocean has been moving very, very nice. And across the previous month, up about 21%, up 168% since the first of the year. So year-to-date, 168% gains there for Ocean. Now, how about CQ2? Web3 data provider CQ2 recently announced the expansion of its work with blockchain infrastructure provider NodeReal. And since the year's end, Covalent has recorded an increase to its price of 33%, gaining 35% in the previous 30 days. And you could see here what it's done. It hasn't moved up as much as some of the other cryptocurrencies, so keep this one on your radar. There might be some room for some movement here with CQ2. How about Singularity Net? We talked about this one in our first AI video. By the way, none of this is financial advice. Make sure you're doing your due diligence. More than anything, I want to put you on some assets that you can go research a little bit further. Now, I do like AGIX. I have actually personally looked into this one quite a bit, racing 153% over the past month and a whopping 820% on its year-to-date gains after a period of sideways inactivity. AGIX, that allows anybody to easily create, share, and monetize AI services, has proven that it still has plenty of potential. Positive developments such as beta test launch of the project's Cardano staking portal set for March. We covered that here on the channel, the partnership between AGIX and Cardano. This has fueled AGIX's continuous growth in the recent period as the token gained 4% in the last 24 hours. Next up, the graph, GRT. It's been around for a while, guys, but it's boasting a market cap right now of $1.44 billion. It's the highest AI crypto right now by market cap. The graph remains the ultimate leader among its kind, gaining a lot of market attention after a recent Masari report revealed that the revenue from Corey fees on its network has increased by 66% in the last quarter of 2022. Offers a brand new approach to indexing and querying data on blockchain and potentially solving the problem of developers' access to data with GRT incentives. The token has advanced 190% since the beginning of 2023. Another one that's on a lot of people's radars, Fetch AI. So tokens by the Fetch AI FET platform, which combines blockchain and AI to create a network of autonomy of things, or AOT applications, have recorded soaring interest from crypto whales who were seeing FET at an increased rate earlier this month. As things stand, the current price of FET is right around 47 cents, and it has went up 76% in the month, as well as 410% since the year's beginning, according to data revealed and retrieved this morning. So these are some assets to watch in the AI sector. Fetch AI, GRT, the graph. We've got AGIX, CQ2, and Ocean. Appreciate you guys as always. Let me know what your favorite is down below, or maybe some other AI crypto coins have caught your eye. Drop those down in the comments for some other people to check out. Appreciate you guys as always. We'll see you in the next video. Take care, everybody. Happy Friday.